The world is speeding up. Every second you create 2 megabytes of entirely new data. Doesn't sound like much, but it quickly adds up. In the last 2 years alone, you took part in increasing the world's data 10 times. And this is what you choose to do with it. Introducing GigaDrive, the world's fastest external SSD. GigaDrive will never hold you back. Copy 2.8 gigabytes in just 1 second, or 20 full HD movies in less than 20 seconds. GigaDrive is compatible with Mac OS, Windows, and Linux, next-gen gaming consoles, iPhone, and Android. And while everyone is stuck on USB 3, GigaDrive welcomes the future with backwards-compatible next-gen USB 4 and Thunderbolt 4. Through your existing USB-C or Thunderbolt ports, experience blazing fast read and write speeds of up to 2,800 megabytes per second. And play AAA games directly from external storage without it getting hot or crashing, thanks to its built-in DRAM and aerospace-grade aluminum heatsink case that keeps it cool to the touch, and offers stable and constant transfer speeds no matter how long you use it. You can even record hours of 4K footage directly to it. You might not be able to control your environment, but you shouldn't need to worry about your work. GigaDrive can withstand drops and shocks. It's dust-proof and can easily survive being submerged in 3 feet of water for up to 30 minutes. GigaDrive. Order now on Indiegogo.
There are many masks that could protect you from air pollution, harmful microorganisms, and allergens. But only purME Air takes air purifying to the next level. As a follow-up to the purME's first generation, purME Air is a wearable air purifier with its unique twin turbine. It is a revolutionized face mask designed for those who are active. purME Air is installed with a UVC light inside and capable for self-cleaning. You can simply remove fungal odor, harmful microorganisms, and allergens before and after each wear. The straps are very comfortable, and it will keep the mask in place even on the move. Whenever it gets dirty, you can easily wash them in the washer. purME Air allows you to exercise safely and comfortably. It only weighs around 80 grams, which is half the weight compared to other powered masks on the market. With constant pressure technology, you could still get enough oxygen to get you through any intense exercises while remaining perfectly sealed. The 2 identical turbines will adjust the amount of air drawn in and out, preventing any leak and overpressure. purME Air can be used for up to 6 hours on a single charge with just a regular USB cable. We have carefully picked out the most reliable and quiet fan turbines for purME Air. With precise engineering, it will always remain quiet as the vibration is minimized by bearings. purME Air is the mask for anyone who wants to exercise without having to breathe in bad air pollution, or just for everyday use. It is the only mask you will need.